Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving the hardware and permissions are okay, plug in your headset, and test it in a separate app so you know the mic works. Once done, open Fortnite's audio settings and set voice chat to on, then pick the correct input and output devices so the game uses your headset. Make sure your console or OS grants microphone permission to Fortnite and party services. Without that, nothing in-game can hear you. Next, you dig into how Fortnite routes voice. Choose party or game chat depending on who you need to hear, and disable proximity if it's limiting range. Then verify your platform's party settings and NAT type. A strict NAT can block voice, so aim for open or moderate. Make sure audio drivers or console firmware are updated. If audio devices misbehave, remove and reinstall them, or clear the system cache to eliminate stale config that can break voice routing and detection. To finish, test voice in a quiet lobby with one friend and toggle between push-to-talk and open mic to identify the issue. After any changes, rejoin your party or restart Fortnite so settings fully apply. Sometimes a simple restart reconnects voice servers. If problems persist, swap to another headset or device to isolate hardware versus account problems, then collect logs and report the bug to Epic. One key tip: if voice works on other apps but not Fortnite, focus on permissions, NAT, and reinstalling the game cache.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.